the whole universe is controlled by a energy or some power which is not visible or which is not being perceived by the human beings. But as you grow in the Shiva Yoga, as you purify yourself, your perception will become more and more stronger, more and more powerful. The most interesting thing is this invisible power is controlling, taking care of each and everything. You sow the seed, and the seed germinate. And that power, when the seed germinate, and the one portion is the roots, it appears, another portion, the leaf appears. Is it right or not? But that supreme power decides the roots has to go down and the leaf has to go up. And if it is happening, you turn upside down, again you will find that after a few days, it is again turning down. So there is that invisible power. Now similarly, the human being, which you see, the human being, everything you want to do it with the body. But actually you are a multi-dimensional being. Every human being is a multi-dimensional being. You are present in the physical form. You are also exist in the energy form. And you also exist in the vibration forms. Only what you see is the physical body. And the physical body is just the tip of the iceberg. The total power which every human being is having, only 4% is there in the physical body. How much is there? 4%. And 96% power is there in the bodies which are not seen, which you can't see, which is in a state of vibration, which is in a state of energy, which is not visible. And the most interesting part is that when a person is sick, we only work at the physical body. We want to heal that person. We want to correct that person where there is an incorrect behavior in the body has come. Disease is a disturbance in ease. So the incorrect behavior of the body, we try to correct in this physical body. So what we are trying to touch is how much? 4%. So first of all, we are unable to cure. So we say symptomatic relief, prolonging the problem. Or we say, okay, after surgery, after cutting, pasting, cleaning, I have done it. But it is only, I remember in one of the ashram area, the tree, the branches were so big and they were entering into the windows. Say, okay, please cut, do the pruning. They did it. And after 1 month, I see the new green leaves are coming and new branches are again growing. And I am sure after 2 years again, those branches will become as big and they'll again try to enter into the window. Again, I'll have to cut it. That is the surgery. Because the root of the tree is there. And after surgery, the root cause, here it is the root, here is the root cause, exists. So it is the high time the science has to learn another science which is beyond this science. And that is, if I have to achieve the healing, I have to work at the 5 bodies level. not only in the physical life.